So I wanted to go over the rest of the homework problems, and I actually want to do this one with you. So what I'm hoping you see is that I'll make, let's make this one that, and then let's make this one that. I did the other way around in the previous problem, but it's fine. I need you to know that this is this is a V, and I need you to know that this is a line. So they either touch twice, they touch once, or they don't touch at all, okay? And you're just going to pick numbers that you think would work. Now, I'll be honest, when I look at that fraction, I feel like the whole numbers are the ones that are going to work. So I would try 0, I would try 3, I would try 6, I would try 9, I would try 12. I would try problems that I know are going to evenly work. So anything times 0 is 0, minus 3 is negative 3. 2/3 of 3, let me show my work. Oops. Okay, when I do that, this is gone. 2 minus 3, negative 1. And then I do the same thing, but now I'm going to go 2/3 times 6. 3 goes into 6, 2. Times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. Then I do the same thing for 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 3 is 3. Yes, this is work that I would want you to show. Okay? Anybody noticing a pattern? The pattern is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Oh, what's this pattern? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Because the pattern is 2/3. Okay? And so when I do this, that means that this is going to be 5. All right. So now I'm going to pick the same problem. So I'm going to try 0. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4 times 2 is 8 minus 3 is 5. That's not it. Let's try 3. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1 times 2 is 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Cool, I got a point. That matches. Okay. And then I try 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2 times 2 is 4 minus 3 is 1. Ooh, cool. Well, I know that it's only going to touch a maximum of 2 times. We figured that out. So my two answers are 3, negative 1, and 6, 1. All right? So if I was going to graph this one, I'm going to fake it a little bit. Down 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. Totally faked. Just kind of bear with me a little bit, okay? It's fine. Okay? Not a very good fake. This one, I know that the vertex is right 4 and down 3. Okay? And then I know it's a vertical stretch. Okay, again, it's not perfect. This is horrible because that doesn't show 3, negative 1, and let's see, this should probably go like this. Let me show this line. Okay, that'll be a little bit, let's see. This is ugly, I'm really sorry. But then I want you to see that this would be 3, negative 1, and this would be 6, 1. And if you go, Miss Rifkin, you made it so ugly, graph them on Desmos. You'll survive. Okay? Solving it algebraically. This is going to be a workout. Okay, so when I look at this crazy equation, if I have the same thing on the left and the same thing on the right, I can cancel those. So that's really gone. And if you're like, I don't get it, add 3 to both sides and they'll cancel. I don't like fractions, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And then I'm left with 6, absolute value of x minus 4 equals 2x. Okay? And then this is a pretty complex one to solve, I'll be honest. And then I would divide by 6. Well, I get a fraction back. And when I divide by 6, that's 1/3 x. Okay? Now, I'm going to have two equations. X minus 4 equals 1/3 x. X minus 4 equals a negative 1/3 x. And dot, 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 you end up getting the answers, okay? I don't care as much about this one. If I gave you a problem like this, I would want you to fake graph it and show me in a table, okay? This one is like the previous homework. You get the square root by itself, and then you square both sides. This one, get the absolute value by itself, and then split it. And it says here, be sure to check your solutions, okay? So make sure that just because you get an answer doesn't mean it works. This one, they want you to plug 1/2 in. I want to go over this one. This one they're saying plug in h plus 1. So I'm going to go h plus 1 squared minus 5. I would box it out. This is a good question to maybe put on a quiz. Then these two are the same. And I'm done. And some of you go, how do you know when you're going to get letters as answers or numbers as answers? Well, if you're plugging a number in, you're probably getting a number out. If you're plugging a letter in, you're probably getting a letter out. Okay? This is all review. I would say isolate that one. Isolate those. Make sure you can have square roots on the bottom. Box this out. This is, I'll do this one. I know this is exponential. So I know that when it's 2 to the x, it's like this. But this means vertical translation up 5. So I'm going to go here at 5. And that would be letter B. Okay? I just wanted you to get that one. This one's, it says, consider the graph. Show your work. So they want you to see that this is a solution and this is a solution. Sorry about that. So you'll write down those 2 points. And then I want you to solve using algebra. So take, ooh, this one's kind of a mean one. Take this one and set it equal to this one. So when you do that, it's going to be a little bit of a workout, so just write small. Box this out. Get an answer. And then box that answer out with the x minus 2. And then you'll simplify and move it over. Okay? And I don't care about this. So just solve it, okay? And I think, oh, looks like I got a 3rd page for you. You're welcome. You know what? I'll make these worth a little bit more. Oh, no, you know what? This isn't a 3rd page. This was the assignment from before.